Sang Tai Tai Leo. My name is Marian Licot. I was born on February 23, 1993. I am 32 years old, married and blessed with 2 children. Ages 13 years old daughter and a 3 years old son. I have 5 siblings, 4 sisters and 1 brother. I live in Cugman, Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. Catholic is my religion. I am a high school graduate and completed domestic work training with domestic work in civil certificate. I have work experience as a domestic helper here in Philippines and in Hong Kong. I have served 4 members of the family here in Philippines and 3 members of the family in Hong Kong. I possess strong background in taking care of infants and children, managing household chores, cooking, marketing, and tutoring. I take pride in creating warm, welcoming home environment and ensuring cleanliness, organization, and nutritious meals for the family. I wanted to work in Hong Kong again to provide the needs of my family. I know how to cook Chinese food like steamed fish, steamed pork, chicken soup, pork soup, and many more. I'm a good reader for storytelling, and I know lots of children's songs like head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears, and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. To my future employer, I'm not just looking for a job, but I'm looking for a family to care and serve with love and dedication. I am a hard worker, a quick learner, and a compassionate individual who will treat your family with love and care and utmost respect. I would be honored to be part of your family's journey and contribute to making your life easier and happier. I am also committing a long-term stay with your family. Thank you for considering my application and God bless.